Good morning, everybody. We're back up and going. Did right at 20 miles yesterday and camped back there where the Mountain to Sea Trail cuts up there and pushed my bike up the hill until we got out. Then once we got to the top, was in Pixie National Forest and off the Blue Ridge Parkway property. So that's where we camped last night, and then I pushed my bike back down the hill this morning. And now we got pretty much 17 miles of nothing but uphill. It's going to be a rough day. We got to climb up Mitchell and then Craggy Dome. And then after that, we can make it. It's the rest of the way to Asheville is all downhill. But it's about 8:30 now. I'm getting a late start. But, well, not too late, but later than I was wanting to. But yeah, anyways, absolutely beautiful view right here. And I'll get back to y'all here in a little while. Right there's the top of Mitchell. And that's pretty much where we're going. Man, this morning has been tough. It's been an hour and I've only gone 2 miles. Holy shit. Man, this is so steep. Dog's hurt bad. He's got a tracker on him, and this guy, he's hiking and going back down, but he's been here with him a while and he's going to try to follow him, but that dog is hurt bad. There were some hunters about 4 miles back on the forest road, so hopefully they find him, but he's just going to try to follow him. Every time I do a trip in the winter or the fall, I always come across hunting dogs that are hurt or just lost. But thankfully, he still has his tracker on him, so they should be able to find him.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home.
just sitting here eating a little bit. But I'm here at Craggy Gardens, and it's just been all uphill all day. We've gone about 18 miles, and we're shooting for our biggest day this trip so far, because we got about 18 miles to Asheville, and it's all downhill basically. Well, not 100%, but the biggest part of it is downhill. So yeah. So we're going to try to push it to Asheville, and then I got a buddy of mine that should be picking us up there, as long as we can figure out where to meet at. But yeah, man, it's just been an absolutely beautiful day, but man, has it been tough.